Hey friends, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable offline downloads on YouTube. To do that, in order to enable offline mode, guys, you need to ensure that you get YouTube Premium. And once you're on YouTube and you try to click on any video, you can download those videos. And that's pretty much what the offline mode is. You click on the video, you scroll down to the bottom, you either find the download button right here or click three dots and you find download and you hit download, and that's pretty much the offline mode. So to enable it, once you try to download the video, guys, it's gonna give you a pop-up and you're gonna see that it requires YouTube Premium to download the video, and so you can click on it to proceed to where you can, let's say, basically sign up for YouTube Premium. Once you sign it up, you can go back and you can download the video, and you can expand the sidebar and go to downloads afterwards, and you can find your videos downloaded right here. Quick one. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, my team and I publish simply and easy to understand step-by-step tutorial daily. And I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button to support our channel, and of course, so that you'll never miss out when we release videos just like this one every single day. Now, let's continue. And so that's how you can enable the offline downloads on YouTube.